The power of exceptional trainers. Great leaders inspire. They ignite passion and drive in their teams. But where do these leaders come from? How do they hone their skills and knowledge? Often the answer lies in exceptional trainers. Trainers are the architects of growth, the cultivators of talent. They empower individuals with the skills and confidence to excel. A truly effective trainer doesn't just impart information. They ignite a fire within, fostering a love for learning and development. Think back to a trainer who truly impacted you. What made them stand out? Was it their passion, their ability to connect on a personal level? Or perhaps it was their dedication to your growth and success. Exceptional trainers leave a lasting legacy. They inspire individuals to reach their full potential and in doing so, elevate entire organizations to new heights. Traits of great trainers: patience, empathy, enthusiasm. Exceptional trainers possess a unique blend of personality traits that enable them to connect with learners on a deeper level. Patience is paramount. Not everyone learns at the same pace. A great trainer understands this and provides support and encouragement every step of the way. Empathy is another cornerstone. Step into your trainees' shoes. Understand their perspectives, challenges, and aspirations. When learners feel seen and heard, they are far more receptive to new information and skills. Finally, never underestimate the power of enthusiasm. Passion is contagious. When you're genuinely excited about the material, your energy becomes infectious, creating an environment where learning is not just expected but embraced. Mastering the essentials: communication, organization, adaptability. Beyond personality, exceptional trainers are masters of key skills that form the backbone of effective training. Communication is paramount. It's not just about speaking clearly. It's about conveying information in a way that resonates with your audience. Organization is key. A well-structured training program ensures that information is presented logically and coherently. This makes it easier for learners to absorb and retain knowledge effectively. Finally, adaptability is crucial. Every group of learners is unique. A skilled trainer can adjust their approach on the fly, tailoring their delivery to accommodate different learning styles and needs. Engaging your audience: stories, questions, and active participation. A successful training session is far from a one-sided lecture. It's a dynamic exchange of information and ideas. Engage your audience from the get-go. Weave relatable stories into your training. Stories create emotional connections, making information more memorable and impactful. Don't shy away from asking questions. Questions stimulate critical thinking and encourage active participation. They transform learners from passive recipients of information to active contributors in the learning process. Crafting impactful training materials: visuals, simplicity, and engagement. Training materials should be more than just a collection of slides filled with text. They should be visually appealing and engaging, drawing learners in and enhancing their comprehension. Incorporate visuals like images, graphs, and charts. Keep your language clear and concise. Avoid jargon and technical terms that might confuse your audience. Remember, the goal is to make learning accessible and enjoyable. Consider incorporating interactive elements into your materials. Quizzes, polls, and group activities can transform a mundane training session into an engaging and collaborative experience. Adapting to different learning styles: visual, auditory, kinesthetic. Remember that everyone learns differently. Some individuals are visual learners, thriving on images and diagrams. Others are auditory learners, absorbing information best through listening and discussion. Kinesthetic learners, on the other hand, learn by doing, through hands-on activities and practical application. A truly exceptional trainer will strive to cater to these diverse learning styles. Incorporate a variety of teaching methods into your sessions. Utilize visuals, facilitate discussions, and incorporate hands-on activities to create a rich and inclusive learning environment. Like and subscribe if you're interested to see more content about training.